Welcome to the Floating Feather Meditation. This meditation will help assist you if you are a beginner on your meditation journey. Please find yourself in a comfortable position. You can either sit or lay down. Find a place where you will be distraction-free, and make sure you turn your phone on the Do Not Disturb, and then we can begin. This is your self-love time, right here, right now. Everything will wait for you, and you can pick up where you left off when we're done with this meditation. Go ahead and relax your body. Notice any tension and release it. Relax your head, your face, shoulders and arms and fingers. Release any tension in your back and your legs and your feet. Know that you are safe and secure right here, right now. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. And again, in through your nose and out. On the next deep breath in, we're going to breathe in love and light. And we're going to breathe out any tension or stress, any worry or self-doubt. So in with love and out. Picture yourself at the beach. It's a beautiful day. You see the waves move towards you and away. You smell the salty ocean air, and you feel the sand between your toes. And your shoulders feel the warmth from the positive sun rays above. You hear the seagulls calling out hello to you. As you stand on the ocean shore, you notice a small white feather on the sand. It's right in front of you. As you inhale, imagine that feather rising off the sand, just a few inches up, and hovering as you pause, and then descending as you exhale. Continue to visualize your feather rising and falling with each breath you take. As you continue to watch your feather rise and fall with each breath, you notice with each inhale you take, the feather rises higher. Now, on your next exhale, you're going to blow the feather away. As you blow it away, watch as it flies out of your vision. Say thank you to your feather friend as it continues to get further and further away from you. Thank it for allowing you to meditate today. And now it's out of your view. And you successfully meditated. So now we're going to take a deep breath in and out. And on the next breath in, we're going to breathe in love and light. And on our next breath out, we're going to blow out love and peace for all. So in with love and light, and out. And when you are ready, you can wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Thank you for listening to my floating feather meditation today. This is Bridget M. Shoup, the Crystal Healing Gypsy, wishing you light, loves, and lunar hugs. To learn more, go ahead and visit my website at bemoonstruck.com.